To disconnect or remove your GoDaddy website builder site, you have several options depending on your needs. Unpublish your website. If you want to take your site offline temporarily, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. Under Websites plus Marketing, click Manage next to your site. Click Edit Website to open the website builder. In the builder, go to Settings, click Unpublish and confirm your choice. This action will make your site visible only to you, displaying a Coming Soon message to visitors. Delete your website. To permanently remove your website, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to My Products. Under Websites plus Marketing, click Manage next to your site. Click Edit Website to open the website builder. Go to Settings, click Delete Site and confirm your decision. Disconnect your domain. If your domain is connected to your GoDaddy website builder and you wish to disconnect it, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. Under Domains, select the domain you want to disconnect. Click DNS to view your DNS records. Above the records table, click Remove next to your template name. Confirm removal by selecting Yes, let's do it. This action will disconnect your domain from the website builder, allowing you to use it with another service.